New Touch Industries is a laser cutting and fabrication business serving a diverse range of clients across a broad range of industries.
New Touch, we really focus on quality service and delivery. The key thing for us is wowing our customers. We want to deliver a quality product on time.
The reason why we weren't happy with the bank that we were dealing with years ago is we were dealing with an inexperienced banker, promises weren't being met and there were delays which were affecting the business. We went back to our finance broker, Peter Lyons, who put us in touch with the NAB and Peter Sinclair's team.
I've been involved with New Touch Group since day one. Brad and Alex both put a lot of trust in me in regard to financial advice and assistance. When we had issues with the current bank that we were dealing with, in regard to the expansion the business was planning, I suggested to Alex and Brad that we needed to look elsewhere because I thought we were going to be let down by that particular bank.
The thing that stood out was when we first met with the guys, it was evident that they had delays from their previous banking in trying to import a machine. So we're mindful of the importance and the timing of that machine. And from there, we wanted to make sure we had the appropriate facilities in place to understand what they needed, and their timelines was of the most importance to us. So we sat back with Peter and the team, again in relation with Peter Lyons, a financial broker, to format a structure and a facility in a timely manner.
They were only looking for a lease at that time. I wanted to see if we could deepen that relationship and actually be their banker rather than just a lease. So we had discussions about that and getting them to understand that to bring the equipment in, we'd need to get some currency protection for it, we'd need some trade finance, and then ultimately deliver a lease at the end of that. I've always believed that to get close to your customer, you've got to come to the customer and be on their premises. When you walk in these premises, you see a really good business that's alive. It's embellished with total quality management, and it's got people that care about the business, and you could see that from day one.
I think the big thing for me was the trust, the people. We established a great rapport right from the start. In addition to that, there's their NAB Connect platform, which we've found really good to use, and then all their various finance facilities. We felt really comfortable. We've never felt like that with a bank before.
NAB, more than money.